Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening numbers and picking a template or blank sheet to get immediate structure. Set each column type to text, number, or date so calculations behave predictably. This prevents wrong totals later. Once done, import CSV or paste data and confirm headers match your plan, then delete blank rows. Make sure to rename the Sheet tab now, because consistent names keep formulas clear when you add tables or references in the next steps. You now structure data across tables. Keep raw inputs isolated from calculations and presentation so edits won't break results. Use SUM and average for totals and trends. Add IF for conditional logic and VLOOKUP for matching rows across tables. Once formulas are added, name ranges or use A2, A100 to make formulas readable. Make sure to freeze header rows and lock key cells. This keeps navigation simple and prevents accidental overwrite when you share or expand. You finish by formatting for clarity. Apply $ or % where needed and add conditional formatting to flag outliers. Create charts and summary tables to communicate insights, then export as PDF, CSV, or keep the numbers file for collaboration. If something breaks, check for hash value or circular references and use the formula editor to trace problem cells. Correcting a single range often fixes cascaded errors. Once stable, duplicate the sheet as a backup before sharing or automating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.